MBA crash course on business intelligence and analytics tools. Business intelligence, BI, and analytics tools refer to software applications and technologies that enable businesses to gather, analyze, and visualize data to gain insights and make informed decisions. These tools help organizations harness the power of data and transform it into actionable intelligence. Now, let's explore some key aspects of business intelligence and analytics tools. 1. Data collection and integration. BI tools facilitate the collection and integration of data from various sources, such as databases, spreadsheets, and cloud platforms, to create a centralized repository for analysis. 2. Data cleansing and transformation. Ensuring data accuracy and reliability by cleaning and transforming raw data into a consistent format suitable for analysis. 3. Data visualization. Presenting data in the form of charts, graphs, dashboards, and reports to facilitate understanding and decision-making. 4. Ad hoc query and reporting. Allowing users to create customized queries and generate reports on the fly, enabling real-time insights and analysis. 5. Online analytical processing, OLAP. Providing multidimensional analysis capabilities, allowing users to explore data from different dimensions and hierarchies. 6. Data mining and predictive analytics. Leveraging advanced algorithms and statistical models to identify patterns, trends, and future outcomes based on historical data. 7. Key performance indicators, KPIs, and dashboards. Tracking and monitoring critical metrics and performance indicators through interactive dashboards, enabling stakeholders to stay informed and make data-driven decisions. 8. Data governance and security. Implementing measures to ensure data privacy, security, and compliance with regulatory requirements. 9. Self-service analytics. Empowering business users with user-friendly tools to perform data exploration, analysis, and reporting without heavy reliance on IT teams. 10. Mobile BI. Enabling access to BI tools and insights on mobile devices, allowing users to stay connected and make informed decisions on the go. 11. Data collaboration and sharing. Facilitating collaboration and data sharing among teams and departments, fostering a data-driven culture within the organization. 12. Integration with AI and machine learning. Harnessing the power of AI and machine learning algorithms to automate data analysis, identify patterns, and generate predictive insights. In summary, business intelligence and analytics tools play a crucial role in extracting actionable insights from data and enabling organizations to make informed decisions. By utilizing these tools, businesses can gain a competitive edge, improve operational efficiency, and drive strategic growth. Poem. In the realm where data resides, where insights and decisions coincide, business intelligence tools take the stage, unveiling knowledge in this digital age. Data collected, diverse and vast. From various sources, amassed. Integrated and cleansed with precision. Ready for analysis, a data-driven mission. Visualization brings data to life. Charts and dashboards, removing strife. Patterns emerge, trends take shape. In the realm of BI, insights escape. Ad hoc queries, on-demand reports. Real-time analysis, business supports. OLAP dimensions, a multidimensional view. Uncovering opportunities, breakthroughs anew. Predictive analytics, future foreseen. Data mining, extracting patterns unseen. KP is tracked, dashboards ablaze. Informed decisions, the path we raise. Mobile access, insights on the fly. Anywhere, anytime, on devices nearby. Self-service tools, user empowerment. Unleashing the potential, a data enlightenment. Collaboration fostered, teams align. Sharing insights, decisions refined. Data governance, security intact. In this realm of BI, trust is a fact. AI and machine learning, a touch of finesse. Automating analysis, efficiency impress. Business intelligence, the power it wields. Driving growth, as business fields. Song. Verse 1. In the realm of business intelligence, where data's reign has immense significance. Tools and technologies, guiding our way. Unleashing insights, every single day. Chorus. Business intelligence, a data-driven ride. Analytics tools, empowering worldwide. Visualizations and dashboards, revealing the story. In the realm of buy, we find glory. Verse 2. From data collection to integration. Cleansing and transformation, a necessary foundation. Visualization paints the picture clear. Data insights, removing doubt and fear. Chorus. Business intelligence, a data-driven ride. Analytics tools, empowering worldwide. Visualizations and dashboards, revealing the story. In the realm of buy, we find glory. Bridge. Ad hoc queries and reports on demand. OLAP dimensions, expanding our command. Predictive analytics, patterns we detect. KPIs and dashboards, our progress we reflect. Chorus. Business intelligence, a data-driven ride. Analytics tools, empowering worldwide. Visualizations and dashboards, revealing the story. In the realm of buy, we find glory. Outro. Mobile access and self-service at hand. Collaboration and governance, a strong demand. AI and machine learning, innovation anew. Business intelligence, guiding what we do. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.